is a facility for all parliamentarians. If there is any important issue of public importance concerning your state. Now, in our state, we are aware, especially along the coastal belt, the lot of drug proliferation. You go to any place, there are drugs everywhere. And more dangerous is in these days, we are getting news that outside schools, outside colleges, you have lot of drug peddlers roaming around. They're targeting the children with cheap chocolates and whatever means. And this is a dangerous trend. We know what happened in Punjab. It was a huge challenge for the country few years back. There was a movie made on that, Udta Punjab. So we don't want that to happen in Goa. No, I was speaking to some government official, very senior official, for some work I had gone. Some person from Banauli. So I had gone to Delhi to those, and they started talking about drug proliferation and how drugs are coming into Goa. And he said, sir, aapka sarkar kuch nahi kar raha hai. So I have a feeling that our state government has failed, either because of their ignorance, incapability, inefficiency, or they may be in connivance. I won't say the whole government, but some, maybe ministers or MLAs, may be in connivance with those drug lords. Because I saw a video today, there is a cabinet minister in Dr. Pramod Sawant's cabinet who had said that so and so MLA from a coastal village was responsible for the drug culture in Goa. So that is why, considering that state government is in connivance, I raised it in the parliament. Now, when they ask, central government will ask, they will tell intelligence agencies to track down. So this was the concern.